Hi, I hope you had the opportunity to explore the exciting world of the ChatGPT and AI to enhance your business and the sales success. If you have started using AI, or even if you have not started using AI, then this video is for you. Did you know that embracing AI can significantly boost your business and the sales success? Allow me to explain why this matters. When influential figures like Sundar Pichai endorses AI as the next big revolution, in his own words he says that AI is going to surpass the mobile and internet revolution, but its impact depends on how we use it wisely. Moreover, yesterday's Times of India article says that the Accenture is going to train additional 2.5 people on AI. Accenture CEO Julie Sweet says that AI has helped them to achieve the growth, efficiency, and resilience. It's a signal that we should pay attention to it. This is Krishna here. I'm a partner, sales trainer, and coach at Growth Aspire. Since the ChatGPT launch in 2022, we have been dedicated to harnessing the AI for sales and business growth. AI is not just a buzzword for us, it's a game-changing tool that can transform your business and sales. When you learn and apply the AI principles effectively, it can lead to a profound impact on your business and the transformation of your business. Many are barely scratching even the just 5% of what the AI can do and its potential. But we are here to change that. Our approach goes beyond the more prompt and the commands. It's about grasping AI foundational principles and applying them strategically in your business that will actually help you to build your business and sales success. The possibilities are limitless. Imagine your daily tasks like strategic planning, marketing, sales, operation. Everything is empowered by the AI's efficiency and precision. We want this transformation journey for you. We want you to experience what we have already experienced and what we have helped the other businesses to achieve. We are doing a workshop. Join us on October 7, that's on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. for the AI5 Business Growth Workshop. Let's unlock AI's full potential together. This is not just a workshop, it's a step into the future of your business. We are extending a personal invitation to you. All that you have to do is to click here and register. Together, let's redefine the business growth and the sales success for you.